Hi, Mari. How's it going?
Hi, honey, how are you?
I'm fine. Do you remember the previous discussion that we had about helplessness?
Yes, being depressed and do nothing to serve ourselves.
One response to helplessness is depression and give up everything, but another one is less obvious at first. In this response, people do the opposite. They become hyperactive. They accept every opportunity presented. They threw themselves into every assignment and they work hard.
In Animal Farm book, Boxer used to work hard for pigs who were cruel and unfair toward all the animal farms.
Yeah, he used to say, I will work harder, and Napoleon is always right. But he ended up going to the knackers, and the pigs laughed at him.
So sad. Thank you.